Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials. Confirm your copy of Watch Dogs 2 is intact. First, run the integrity check through Steam or verify files in Epic. This replaces corrupted files. Then update your GPU drivers and install pending Windows updates so system APIs match the game. Once done, make sure to run the game as administrator and temporarily disable overlays from Steam, Uplay, Discord, or NVIDIA Experience to prevent injection errors. These initial steps remove common launch blockers quickly. You now move into the deeper fixes that often resolve stubborn launch failures. Delete or rename the Watch Dogs 2 config and shader cache folders so the game rebuilds clean settings. This clears bad parameters. Reinstall DirectX Runtime, Visual C++ redistributables, and the NET framework versions the game needs, because missing libraries cause crashes. Also, make sure to temporarily disable antivirus or add the game folder to exclusions. Security tools can block essential executables from starting. You finish by testing a controlled launch. Set the game to lowest settings and run it to isolate performance barriers. If problems persist, repair or reinstall via your game client to ensure all components match expected versions. Once done, create a clean Windows user profile and test there to rule out profile corruption. If it still fails, collect crash logs from the game folder and event viewer. Make sure to include those logs when seeking further help, because specific error codes point to precise fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.